In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the best Vistaprint discount promo codes in 2024. This is pretty simple, so let's jump right into it. First of all, go to your web browser and search for Vistaprint discount promo codes. Right here, select this website, which is called couponfollow.com, and open it. As you can see right here, we have a list with different type of promo codes that we can use to get a discount. For example, if I want to get this 10% discount code, all I have to do is select your coupon code right here. And this is the discount code that I can copy and apply on my next purchase in order to get this discount. Also, going back to our main search right here on Google, as you can see, we have some other websites, and I recommend you to use this one, which is called simplycodes.com. That also has some promo codes that we can use. For example, if you want to get this 20% off store-wide, all you have to do is select copy code right here. And this is the discount code. You can copy it from here, and you can apply this on your next purchase in order to get this discount. So this is all for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.